I am busy with a lot of work. I forget important events in my life, including my marriage day, and I forget my work schedule. There are people who have this kind of problem. Google Calendar is a gift to these kind of people. Here we are going to explain about how Google Calendar could be effectively used to plan and schedule the events in online teaching.
Log into your Gmail account to use Google Calendar. Once you log into your Gmail account, here on the top right corner, you will find Google Apps, an icon. Click it. Here you will find Calendar. Here is the main menu. This will display the month, so you can switch over the month, June, July, whichever the month you prefer. In July you have an activity, so you can choose that particular date. So here you can switch over the month. In this column you will find the time. So 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., something like that. So 29th Friday, I am planning to conduct an online session for my students. What time I am planning to conduct? Okay, be it 11 o'clock. So you can choose this particular column, 11 o'clock. Just click it and it will ask you to add a title. So the title is online session. Online session, even you can mention the lesson number, which lesson you are going to teach. Lesson 1. Okay, so May 29, 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Even if you want to change the time, you just click it and it will show the time here, the options. It may be 11:15, 11:30, something like that, you can choose. And okay, here 12 o'clock is the end time. So if you prefer to choose 12:30, you can choose. So those options are available here. Add guest, in the sense, even you can add some email address, and to those people this notification will be sent. So this one you need not include at present, and even you can ignore this particular option. You can conduct this particular session in Google Duo, so that is another option in Google. All those things you can leave. Now you can come to this segment, add description. Just click it, and in case if you like to add any description, that can be mentioned here, or else you can just save it. Once you save it here, you will get the notification. In case if you like to edit this, once again you like to make any change, just click this edit option. Again you will get it, and here notification is there. Notification in the sense you will get notified through email that you have this particular event. So when you need this notification, 30 minutes before or 1 hour before, those things and all you can choose. So better 1 hour before, so that even if you are occupied with other work, at least 1 hour before, if you get the notification, you will become alert and you will get ready for the session. So that kind of things you can make, then save it. Alright, now here we have the session on Friday, and on Monday itself I need to have some plan. For example, at 11 o'clock, or even you make it 10 o'clock. You like to prepare the activity plan. What are the activities you are going to conduct in this particular session? So that activity planning you are going to have at least 4 days, 5 days in advance. So here you can just mention activity plan, lesson 1. Okay, So do you need reminder? Okay, on the same day. It will not repeat all day. Throughout the day you will not be doing it. So at 10 o'clock you will be doing at your own wish. You can continue this. So come to this, and here you like to add any description, you can add. For example, in the previous video we discussed the teacher should prepare some checklist. So two checklists we suggested to the teachers. So checklist plan, something like that. What do you want to anything, if you feel that you may forget, that you can mention. So here those kind of things, checklist plan or PPT presentation, something like that, anything that you prefer you can mention here in the description, then save it. On Tuesday you like to have another thing. Okay, I need to prepare my resource. The teacher also must prepare some PPT, or they have to get ready with some video presentation. So here we can mention some resources you have to prepare for this online session. So again, lesson 1. So you like to add any description, you can add, like I need to prepare PPT videos, then click save. Okay, now I forgot one thing here. Alright, I like to edit this. Here checklist plan, I prepare the checklist. At the same time I like to send a notification to the parents and the students regarding this online session, so that the students also will be ready on that particular day. So notification, parents and students regarding the online session on Friday. So save it. And on 27th Wednesday, what I like to do is I need to collect the resources from the students. Okay, you can add description, like you have asked one student to prepare PPT, and even you can make a note of that particular student name in this column, or you have asked somebody to prepare a video presentation. So that video you have to collect it from them. Even if they forget, at least we have to give a reminder to the students. So those kind of reminders can be included here. So even you can include the name of the student, and what are the things you need to collect from them. All those things can be mentioned in the description, and you can save it. Thursday, let it be a buffer day. Here you can plan something, like you need any modification in your plan, you can do it, or any change you like to make, all those things you can do on Thursday. So if you complete this particular task, you will be completely ready for the presentation on Friday. Fine. Now I am just browsing something in YouTube. Just for example, I am telling Child Psychology by Esprit Academy. So here I find a playlist, and when I click this playlist, it contains around 20 videos on child psychology. This is exclusively for parents and teachers.
There are a lot of other features in Google Calendar. Be comfortable using the options mentioned in this video and move to the next level later. The next level in online teaching is I like to use online quiz in my online session. How can I do that? Watch our next video in this playlist. You will get the answer. Have a great day.